For the first time, Clickbank is opening the doors so that anyone can get started online and make money as soon as tonight if you want. There's virtually no technical barriers, zero previous knowledge needed, and in fact, you already have almost everything you need to get started. I'm going to share with you the missing piece of the puzzle right at the end of this presentation. Of course, you could figure this out all for yourself. After all, there are hundreds of courses out there that claim to have all the answers, but doesn't it just make sense to get your training direct from the source, from the people who already have generated over $3 billion for their members? Sure it does.
Introducing Clickbank University 2.0. Clickbank University 2.0 is the only online program dedicated to making you your very first Clickbank sale, created by the team most qualified to do that, Clickbank themselves. There's no bigger rush online than landing your very first Clickbank sale. When you see that first cash deposit sitting in your account, it changes everything. Why? Because if you can generate one sale, you can generate dozens, hundreds, maybe even thousands. And it's possible for you to do that each and every month practically on demand. So keep watching. In this short video, we're going to share with you how thousands of people are using Clickbank to live the dream of an automated side income or a full-time income and doing it 24/7, and how you can join them as soon as this afternoon. We'll do that by handing you the only blueprint for Clickbank success created by Clickbank themselves. You can't fail to notice the small human-replacing changes that are happening each day. For instance, robotic machines stack the shelves in Amazon's warehouses. Another robot called Baxter is taking the place of men and women on the factory lines. And chatbots, just simple lines of code, can now give us realistic human conversations. They're single-handedly putting thousands of call center workers out of their jobs around the world. Plus, let's not forget the self-serve checkout kiosks replacing grocery store clerks and bank tellers by the thousands. Yet, we always think it's someone else's job that's going to be replaced, don't we?
The truth of the matter is, we all need to be aware that over the next few years, we're going to see huge changes in the world of work. Now, we don't say all of this to scare you, but to prepare you, because although few of us can rely on a job for life anymore, we believe that right now, more than ever, is the real opportunity. It was years ago Justin invited me to join Clickbank on their mission to help 1 million people just like you achieve their financial dreams. How? Using Clickbank, of course. You see, every single day, we help show people the way to their very first Clickbank sale. And the men and women we help along their journey come from all walks of life, but they have one thing in common. When they get that very first Clickbank commission, they get so excited. For instance, Ryan made sales in his very first week. Austin knows it feels awesome to make that first Clickbank sale. And check out Zach, who's really starting to get some momentum. Believe me, when you see that first commission in your own Clickbank account, it gives you the confidence to go on and make so much more. Over the past 10 years, Clickbank has sold over 300 million digital products and created wealth for more than 100,000 people. Now, we want to make it easier than ever before for people just like you to make the extra income that you deserve. People right now on Clickbank are reaching their financial goals. Whether that means bringing home a few hundred extra dollars in their spare time, generating a job-replacing income so they never have to show up for anything or work for anyone ever again, or swinging for the fences and generating 6- and 7-figure months and years. In the next 3 minutes, Justin and I are going to reveal how we can help you generate Clickbank commissions every month like clockwork. And the only place you find this information is right here, right now, in this free presentation.
You don't need a product to bring in serious money. In fact, I started making money using Clickbank without a product or even a website. And if you're thinking, yeah, that's okay for those guys, Justin, but how do I get started when I have no expertise, no tech skills, and no clue? Well, let me tell you, it wasn't too long ago that I was right where you are right now. Just looking for an easy way to make that first little chunk of cash online. And thank goodness for Clickbank, it was a total game changer for me when I found them. You see, back then, I was ecstatic to discover Clickbank had done away with the middleman. What that means is you don't even need a product to get earning right away. You don't need a website either. And you definitely don't need to understand any fancy technology. I was able to generate serious income simply by pointing people to various Clickbank offers. That's right, Clickbank can do much of the hard work for you. I used YouTube to direct people to an offer, and bam, commissions after commissions appeared in my Clickbank account. At the time, it felt like magic. I got so excited. This strategy made me enough money to move out of my parents' house and get my own place in Los Angeles. Now, times have changed a little, and there are other, better, and actually even simpler ways to do this. And that's exactly what we teach inside of Clickbank University.
We created a system in collaboration with Clickbank that gets you pulling in your first crucial Clickbank dollars fast. That's the key. Maybe like you, most people first want to see some proof that they can do this. And that's exactly why we focus on helping you make that first sale, that first commission, that first chunk of cash so you can see success fast and then grow it from there. So right now, let me share our secret weapon that can help you make that happen. You see, here at Clickbank, we have thousands of businesses in dozens of different markets generating hundreds of millions of dollars in sales each year. And that also means Clickbank is in the unique position of knowing what's working right now. They know what types of products are selling, they know how they're being sold so successfully, and they know which are the hottest markets right now. Plus, they get to scoop up all the newest affiliate tactics to help you bypass the product creation process and get straight to banking commissions. And all of this proprietary information is something we're able to share with you. See, here at Clickbank, we believe a rising tide lifts all boats. Your success is our success. By sharing, by being generous, we can make all of our members wealthier. You're going to become certified in Clickbank income generation. You'll know exactly what to do and when, no guesswork. Knowing what steps to take, no confusion, no distractions, just step 1, 2, and 3 to help you pull in extra money each month. Like Bradley, who was so excited when he made his first big sale. Alan Yang, who let us know when he made his first sale. And Adam, who made well over $1,000 in his very first month with us here at Clickbank University. We'll go one step further and we'll even certify your ability to generate income online. Yes, inside Clickbank University 2.0, we're offering an official Clickbank certification for the very first time. You can't get this qualification anywhere else. Once certified, you can feel sure you have the confidence, the skills, the know-how to generate Clickbank income and to do it practically on demand. You have what it takes. So from this point on, making money on the internet can become almost second nature. Plus, we've recently introduced a new series of trainings inside Clickbank University called CBU Crash Courses. These are bite-sized mini courses designed to help you master a new money-making skill. For instance, the YouTube Crash Course will show you how to profit with YouTube even if you don't want to be on camera. Now, it's easier than ever to get started making money on the internet. And you'll be able to do it even if you're completely new to making money online. Even if everything you've tried so far has failed you, and even if you're a busy mom holding a gaggle of screaming kids. That's right. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to make your first income online. Because if you're a beginner and you haven't generated a ton of money online before, this is perfect for you.
Now, before you get started, it's important for you to understand what Clickbank University 2.0 is not. It's not some get-rich-quick scheme designed to take your money and give you nothing in return. It's also not some pie-in-the-sky fantasyland nonsense that gets you all excited only to bring you back down to earth with a thud when you realize you've been tricked. And it's definitely not some push-button software that promises to rain down cash with a click of your mouse. There's no such thing as a big red button that causes an avalanche of cash to roll into your bank account. And sorry to say, there's really no such thing as lazy riches either, at least not in the beginning. Yes, you will get to the point where you can kick back in the mornings, sip a cup of Java, and feel blissful peace of mind because you know the sales, money, and profits are rolling in. In fact, I know I speak for thousands of the successful people leveraging Clickbank when I say that checking your stats in the morning is going to be one of the highlights of your day. I just love seeing how much money I made literally while I slept the night before. However, you're going to have to put in effort as you follow the training videos and you implement what you learn. Yet, after a short time, once you start making sales and set up automated selling systems, you're going to find that income can continue to pour in whether you work or you don't. If you watch this far into the video, we know you're ready for something real, something that flat out works. And the Clickbank University 2.0 system is very real and very achievable for you.